Hi, I'm Judy Danes, and this is my website. I um, chose to do a website about my son. He just recently went on a mission, and so I thought that would be kind of fun to um, do a website about his mission. So this is the home page, and I have some pictures. Um, he just recently left, so he hasn't even been gone a month yet. But so this is the scripture that's on his plaque. And let's see. So about him, this is a little bit about him. I have some scriptures that he liked. These are some of the pictures he sent from the MTC. And so if you click on them, then it'll take you to that page. So you can see the image better. And there's a contact page where you can get contact information. I didn't put his address there, but I was going to change that eventually to have his address. And then I have the practice that we did in our class, and so that's that. And then see, in the style guide is here. So my main purpose was, like I said, it's about my son's mission. The main design decisions were, I chose the color palette of the Minnesota flag, and I chose simplicity because I'm very new to this, so I didn't want it to be overly complicated for me. The most difficult thing I learned was alignment, getting the pictures aligned, the logo, navigation. That was difficult, but I think getting the pictures lined up. And what I'm amazed about learning was just creating HTML and CSS and actually getting it to work. And I'm just very grateful for everything that I've learned in this class, and I really enjoyed it a lot. So, thank you.